Welcome back to Cutlass Vibes. Today I'm going to be talking to you about, do you really need a shop? Alright, so today I want to touch up a little bit on if you need a shop and lift to do work to your car. I posted something on a Facebook group. It's supposed to be about G-bodies, cars, you know, that kind of stuff. I had my car up on this lift. I just posted a picture saying I've had this car for 20 something years and I'm still not done with it. So I had a guy or two jump in about, so you have a shop like that in the lift and you still don't have it done? Guys, this shop and this lift, it's not even mine. I don't have a shop. I don't have a lift. Our Ellis swap and my nephew's truck and my brother-in-law's truck, we did some engine swaps in the last couple years. None of it was done here. My buddy just built this. Yeah, I have a key to it. I'm welcome to it anytime now. But after all the upgrades have been done. So everything was done in my parents' backyard under a carport with floor jacks. I'm talking about transmission swap, engine swaps. I mean, that kind of stuff. We did it outside. Guys, you don't have to have a shop. In fact, here in a minute, I'm gonna take you to where we've done all this work. It wasn't in here. This shop is brand new. It's not even mine. I just happened to borrow it here and there and now to do some videos. I didn't have a YouTube channel. When we did all these upgrades, or I would have had a lot of video for you guys. So now I'm just trying to explain and answer questions for whoever needs it. But I'm gonna take you so you know that you don't need a shop. All right guys, so we made it to my parents. The only thing that divides our homes is the alley. So we live one street over. So we just walk over here and work on stuff. This is what we use to pull the engines out. And we haven't even moved it out the way. We did like 3 almost in a row of our families. This is what we do. We don't do this as a business or anything like that. We just do our own stuff. And guys, what we used to pull them out with, we have an old Camelon. A Camelon that my dad's had since I was a kid. And that's what we still use. There's the chain we use. And with the Camelon, old Camelon, that's what we got. Works. This carport is where we do everything under. We have a toolbox that has some tools and a bunch more tools over there, but this is it, guys. Outside, when it's cold, it's cold. When it's hot, it's really hot, and we do everything here. So that shop that we've been using for a video, that's brand new. That's not mine. This is where we've always done our work on our cars is here. So with floor jacks and with our backs on those bricks right there, on the dirt, wherever, that's how we've done all our stuff, swaps, transmissions, everything. So I've had some guys say, well, I don't have a place to do it. We don't even have a garage, guys. We do it outside. We've always done it outside. Luckily, my buddy built that, the rear end, we did it there. That was a lot nicer. Just letting you know, you don't need fancy stuff and equipment. As long as you got some tools and you want to do it, this is where we've done everything, guys. I'm gonna try to find some pictures. We did our Ellis swap to the Cutlass was done right here. Transmission and all, everything was done here. And we did my brother-in-law's square body, the 355 from the Cutlass. We put it in his square body. I think I might have a picture of us pulling his out. I'll show y'all that it was right here. And then my nephew, he had a 305 and we built a 350 Vortec, and we had an engine stand right here in this corner. We pulled the 305 with this and we built the Vortec right out here. We would just cover it up, make sure it didn't get wet. I think I have a few pictures. We'll try to put them on the video so you guys can see that that was done here as well. So you can do it outside, guys, anywhere actually. If you want to get something done to your car, just do it. You know, get pumped up, get motivated. We've done it outside all our lives. My dad, everything he ever fixed when I was a kid, he didn't even have a carport. So all of that was done literally outside with no shade, no carport, no nothing. So guys, it can be done. Just wanted to let you guys know, you don't need to wait till you build a shop or build a this or build a that. Just get what you need, tools, parts, and get it done. So let's get to it. Keep building, and drive your cars, guys.